Delivery, Northwest 2, gate 1, heavy, type 747, via park, Narita, ready to copy. Northwest 2, gate 1, heavy, cleared, Narita Airport is filed. Fly runway heading, climb into gate 1000. Departure frequency is 119.1, squawk 2242. Northwest 2, gate 1, heavy, cleared to Narita, as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 1000. Departure on 119.1, squawk 2242. Northwest 2, gate 1, heavy, make that correct. Contact ground on 121.6.
The 47,000 people of Northwest Airlines just know how to fly. And you can too. Just keep watching for some very important safety information.
Some people just know how to fly.
In preparation for takeoff, please be certain that your seat back is upright and tray table is in its stowed position. Also, make sure carry-on luggage fits securely underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. When retrieving items from the overhead bins, please open them carefully, as some shifting may occur during the course of the flight. There's a safety instruction card in each seat pocket, and we encourage you to use this card to follow along as we point out the important safety features of this aircraft. Your seatbelt must be fastened whenever the sun is illuminated or when directed by a crew member. To properly fasten it, insert the flat metal end into the buckle until it locks securely. Tighten the belt by pulling on the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift up on the top plate of the buckle. When the seatbelt sign is turned off, you're free to leave your seat. However, we'd like to recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. Since instructions for door operation and slide use are located at each door. In a dark cabin, floor-mounted emergency path lights will lead you to these exit locations. Please take a moment now to locate the exits nearest you, keeping in mind that your nearest exit may be behind you. We're pleased to announce that on today's flight, we'll offer you a smoke-free environment. Please note that the no smoking signs will be illuminated throughout the aircraft for the duration of this flight. Please do not tamper with, disable, or destroy smoke detectors, as this is a violation of federal regulations. Cabin pressure is adjusted for the altitude of our flight. If there's a loss of pressure, remain seated. The panel opens automatically and oxygen masks appear. Pull a mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place the elastic band around your head, covering your nose and mouth with a mask. Tighten by pulling on the ends. Secure your own mask before assisting others. Although the bag may not seem to inflate, oxygen will be flowing to the mask. In the event of an evacuation, move quickly to an exit nearest you and jump into the slide, leaving all carry-on luggage behind. Upon reaching the bottom, move immediately away from the plane. Your seat bottom cushion serves as a life preserver in the event of an overwater evacuation. To remove, grasp the back of the cushion, pulling up and forward. Airport is filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 9,000. Departure frequency is 119.1, squawk 4547. 636 cleared. Squawk out F file. Fly runway heading, climb.
Tokyo approach, runway 34 left.
Runway 34 right, 34 left, antenna 95.
Only point 02, maintain 5000 until finish. Clear high CMC, runway 34 right approach.
Maintain high 5000 until finish. Clear for LSU Yankee.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of Northwest and our SkyTeam partners, we'd like to welcome you to Tokyo's Narita International Airport. Local time here is 5:16 in the afternoon, and today is June 11th. Please remain comfortably seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Just a quick reminder, cellular phones can be used only when the aircraft door is opened. We'll let you know when that happens. Once again, everyone, we'll deplane here. If you need any further assistance, please see the agent greeting the flight.